everyone, this is Sheila. Would you like to learn how to grow succulents and fruits indoors in a hydroponic system? Then this video is for you. So let's proceed. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open this box which contains our hydroponic system. I'm so excited to show you what I planted, but this is such an interesting unboxing that I just had to share it with you guys too. And I promise it is so rewarding, so stay until the end of this video, okay? Okay, so we got some fittings. So they sent us 3 instruction manuals, which will make everything so easy. Got 3. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh look, we got some planting sponges. You'll see how helpful and convenient these are later. And tweezers. Okay. Very interesting. Okay, we got some fittings here. Ooh. Oh, these are the LED lights. Oh, look at those. Look at all these. Okay. Okay, step number 2, let's set up our hydroponic system. Later in this video, I will also share with you the advantages of growing succulents in a hydroponic system. Because for now, we need to get this thing going so that you can see it in action. Are you starting to wonder how the strawberries and the succulents will stay in place? Then keep watching. Step number 3, let's start filling it up with water. Step number 4, halfway through, let's add the plant nutrient solution because this grow box actually came with it. I will have to observe if there is some difference to using regular tap from these solutions, because tap water would normally have enough electrolytes to provide food for the plants. Okay, so let's plug it in and let's see it in action. Okay, so it's definitely working. Now let's replace the grow deck and the planting caps and baskets so that we can start with the fun part, which is planting our fruits and succulents. So step number 5, let's start planting our fruits. Have you guessed by now what fruit we are planting? You'll be surprised how these dead-looking plants have come to life when I show you the updates later. And by the way, if you want to know where I got these plants, I actually have a link to them in the description below, okay? So in this step, we are just simply wrapping these planting sponges around them and placing them into these planting baskets, and we're pretty much done. You might actually have to trim off some of the roots if they are very long, okay? Okay, we're done with the fruits. And look again, after 3 days, I added the succulents. Now pay attention to the leaves of the plant in the background while I'm wrapping these succulents. So just look at how the leaves are growing after just 3 days. And this is not the only amazing update, so stay tuned. Let me just show you first what else you can plant in this hydroponic system. So you can actually grow your own food like your favorite herbs and salad greens in this hydroponic system. And I do have a link to our amazing hydroponic system and a special discount code for you in the description below. because I think this is an awesome gift idea. And here they are after about 10 days. See how fast they grow? Let me also show you that they are starting to grow flowers in about 2 weeks. I will also show you an update of the underside of this planting deck, or should I say under the hood, to show you the lovely root system that's growing nicely too. In fact, this one is looking more like a strawberry now. Yes, you heard it right. These are strawberries. So soon we'll have some pure, homegrown, organic strawberries. And as promised, here's the view from underneath the planting deck. Do you see how nice and healthy these root systems are? This one is one of the Succulents root system, and I love how the roots look so clean with its pinkish white color. In fact, I think this is one of the advantages of growing in a hydroponic system. You also never run the risk of overwatering. There's lesser risk of bugs too, because we're actually growing indoors. And here are the bottom and top view of the strawberries. And by the way, currently, I replace the water every 7 to 10 days. And guess what? Although this is not part of the plan, let me just show you how my hydroponic system looks in my living room. I realized the other day that this hydroponic system actually matches the color palette that I used in my living room, so I transferred it here. And since we are here in the living room, might as well share with you a small update on the snake plant propagation in my previous video. See how the baby snake plant is now taller than the mother leaf? She is growing nicely by this window where she is getting indirect light. This is why snake plants are great indoor plants. They love living indoors with us, and they give us clean air in return. And by the way, one of my future videos is how to propagate zebra haworthia, and possibly a follow-up video on how I clean and change out the water of my hydroponic system, depending on your requests. So remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the notification, okay? And as always, my message for today is meant to inspire those who are struggling at the start of a worthy endeavor or who are having doubts about starting one. And this holds true with growing succulents too. So do remember that it's not how good we are when we started that matters. What matters is how good we have become when we finished. So don't be afraid to try new things. Be more afraid of not trying at all. Again, it's not how good we are when we started that matters. It's how good we have become when we finished. Thank you. This is Sheila again, your person on a mission for succulent fame, sending inspirations your way with every succulent. Remember to subscribe and share this video.